and y'all, I got a big ego, except I don't, but hello and welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome. I'm Vanessa and this is Nessa CX Beauty. Today's video is going to be on August 2019's Boxycharm, and this month's theme is Totally Boxy, and I got variation numero dos, so number 2. If you're curious to see what I got in my box, just continue watching. So the first thing in my box is the Becca Hidromis Set and Refresh Powder, and this retails for $39. So, like other reviews that I've seen already, I have this powder, and let me tell y'all, it's really smooth, and the wetness of the powder that you're supposed to feel does wear off after time. I did purchase this when it came out, I believe it was last year, and it did oxidize on my skin, but as soon as like the wetness stops coming out, like you stop feeling it, it doesn't do that anymore. So I do actually use this powder. Whoop. But I don't really need another one right now, so this is actually going to go into my giveaway bag. So this thing is getting mighty large, and I'm waiting until 3K to whip everything out, so stay tuned for that. The next thing in my box is the Wander Glow Ahead Illuminating Oil, and this retails for $42. And this is how it looks. It is pink and sparkly and everything I want in my life. But we're gonna put this on my face and see how it soaks in, because y'all remember I am a dry skin girl. I don't do my face like a dry skin girl, but I appreciate moisture when moisture comes my way. I don't know if y'all can tell, but I can definitely tell in my mirror that my cheeks right here do look illuminated, and right here it also looks illuminated as well. So I'm gonna have to try this out more often, but it looks promising and it's super expensive, so hopefully it's actually good and worth the money. The next thing is the Tarte Big Ego Mascara, and it retails for $23, and y'all, I got a big ego, except I don't, but I freaking love that song, and when I saw this in the thing, I couldn't stop singing that song. So stay tuned, because I'm going to use this in my Strawberry Dream review for Manny's palette from Lunar Beauty, and that's the video that I'm actually going to film after my Boxycharm unboxing. Ooh. So I can't wait to try this out. The next thing is by Ace Beauty, and this is the Glimmer Shadow Duo, and I got the shades Iced Latte and Cotton Candy, and from what I've seen in different people's videos is that these have the same formula as Super Shock shadows, and I am not the biggest fan of Super Shock shadows. These retail for $25, and these will also be going in my big bag because I'm not risking using it when I'm not going to use it if somebody else can just win it in my giveaway. So that's the second item, technically third item because it's a duo, but my bag is filling up. The next and last thing in this box is the Steve Laurent lip liner, and this retails for $15. I got the shade Chic. I've heard pretty bad things about this liner, but I'm still gonna try it out because I usually don't mind dryness on my lips, and the main complaint is that it is really dry. So we're gonna try that out right here, right now, and we're gonna see how I feel about it. So it definitely does feel dry. Again, I don't really mind that, but I can see how a person who usually doesn't like dryness would react negatively to this lip liner. So I'm just gonna put on Uncuffed right over that. And I don't know, I have like like no opinion on it. Like I'll definitely use it, but it's like not special, you know? So yeah, that was everything in my box. I am actually keeping 3 things from this month's box, and the rest is going into my giveaway bag. And these 2 alone are both over the price that I paid. So I don't know if this box is worth it yet, just because I don't know how this is gonna work for the long run, but I am looking forward to using the Big Ego Mascara. And you know, I'm like on the lip liner, but overall I think this was a really good box, and a lot of people have been liking it because a lot of people do not already have this powder. But I'm so happy to have a second one to give you guys the experience as well. And don't think I forgot about the comment shout out. I mean, I did forget while I was filming my intro, but today's comment shout outs are Tara Brown and Android Gal. So they were the first 2 to comment on my last video, and if you want to be next video's comment shout out, just turn on your notifications and be first to comment, and I will shout you out. So I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Have a great day or night wherever you are in the world. I hope to see you soon. Bye bye.